If trading bots were magic money machines, we'd all be billionaires, right? Let's get real for a second. The idea of a Quotex trading bot with 100% accuracy is like someone promising you a toaster that predicts the weather. Too good to be true. No one, not even Wall Street pros, can predict the markets perfectly. Why? Because real life is messy. News breaks, politicians tweet, wild things happen. If this bot was legit, its creator would be on a yacht, not peddling it to strangers online. Plus, Quotex itself? There are warnings everywhere: regulators, user reviews, even withdrawal issues. And here's another kicker. Binary options are risky, like Vegas-level risky. Even the fanciest bots make mistakes. They're like GPS, great until there's a detour. Tech glitches, outdated data, sudden market moves, your money's on the line. Bottom line, any free bot promising guaranteed wins is waving a giant red flag. Don't trade your common sense for fake certainty. In trading, there's no magic button, just research, caution, and reality check.